at 12:46. Let's go outside. Let me show you where the rain is. It is mainly east of I-35. At least the heaviest of rain is edging out of here. We have until 1 o'clock a severe thunderstorm warning in southern parts of Fayette County. You can see that in LaGrange. Let me zoom in on that. A lot of lightning on that. You can see the little white dots there indicating lightning. The areas of purple very likely are creating some hail. You can see it's north of Schulenburg, and that does get a bit out of our viewing area when you get that far. But we know some folks watch. It's part of our viewing area. We cover you, and certainly want you to know that that's going to be a threat for a little while longer. But definitely is going to be a bit of an issue for wind damage as well. Just to the west, these areas of Gonzales County also reporting some wind damage, some power poles snapped, and the like. So something to watch. Bigger picture, all of this is heading out of here. Now, the Storm Prediction Center said that a slight risk for severe weather could be had from areas of Austin to the east and to the south to the coast. And we're going to look at that in a little bit. But for right now, that's what we're seeing. How much rain fell where you live? I tweeted this out a little while ago. If you go to twitter.com and look up KXAN weather, you can actually click on one of these graphics. All of our graphics are saved on there as well. So you can look at this in detail if you want. We see, and you can see here, there are a few places that show 1/4 of an inch. Not many. A lot of places are showing anywhere from 1/2 inch to 3/4 of an inch, and then there's some choice areas out there that saw even more than that, 1 inch to 1.5 inches. So some wonderful numbers. When you get to the areas of green, you're usually talking about 1.5 inches to 2 inches or better of rainfall. Those were kind of scattered just here and there, so certainly wonderful to see those. Also wanted to get you caught up on one other item, and that is Austin Energy reporting that they have some outages out there and kind of scattered around the city. There is, of course, more information if you happen to have internet access at austinenergy.com/outages. Good way to find that information out there as well. All right, let's get to it, see what's happening at the moment. I can't show you the Mabry numbers. I don't know if they got hit by lightning, but there's an issue with the data. It did not report in this last update. I can tell you temperatures are likely to be in the mid-60s because that's what we're seeing mainly from Austin to the west where we've had the rainfall. Cooling off nicely. Out to the east, we had temperatures a bit warmer, but those two are cooling. Upper 60s, 70 out in Bastrop, 72 in Giddings, 72 in Rockdale, 68 in LaGrange, 64 in Georgetown, all the way down to 64 also in Fredericksburg. So it is cool. Statewide, the cold air is going to stay to the north. We're going to cool down a little bit. This was not a big cold front coming in, and it is certainly coming in with a good punch for the rain that we've had. Now, we did have some severe weather out to the west of us towards Uvalde. They had reports of 68-mile-per-hour wind damage out, or rather 68-mile-per-hour wind gusts in Hondo, which is a little bit west of San Antonio. But the whole storm system died out when it got closer to the Austin area, and you can see how that has played out over the course of the past 6 hours. Still have the cloud cover out there. Looks like McCulloch County, folks in Brady, seeing some sunshine there. If you're in San Saba or Mason County, you've got that as well. And you may see a little bit to the south of us. This is all moving out. Now, the Storm Prediction Center said these areas all the way through Austin and to the south are going to be affected by the possibility, or are going to be in an area that could be affected by severe weather. A slight risk anyway, but it was there. Notice the showers and thunder showers moving out. Still have a chance for some sprinkles within these clouds, although obviously the further east this system goes, the less likely that is. So probably by 3 o'clock we could start to see the rain completely out of the viewing area, and then probably by sundown we could see the sunset in most locations. We do expect the skies to clear, though, over the next 4 or 5 hours. Lingering showers, yes. Evening clearing skies, yes. Wednesday morning fog, question mark. Whenever we get rain like this and some cool temperatures, we do see a possibility for a little fog. Watch for that tomorrow morning. Other than that, got a beautiful day set up for tomorrow. Want to show you this. Now, I'm going to go ahead. Normally, I'd have it pushed forwards to show you updated from 7 a.m. this morning, just to show you. We had that rain, very heavy rain, and then through noontime, we saw the showers to the east of us, and that's pretty much on track. You can see that heading out of here, and then into the evening, it's gone. By 6 p.m. out of here, clouds should be out of here as well, and it looks like it'll be clear and cooler over the next several days. Today, starting with the thunderstorms to the east of us, you're seeing this right now. 76 degrees, the high temp for today, and clearing skies into the evening, so we'll see that. Clear skies overnight, 56 the overnight low in your 7-day forecast. You see temperatures in the 70s, a little bit cooler on Thursday, morning lows dropping off. We'll see some 40s out there, but beyond that, looks like it'll warm up a little bit, and even a chance for rain again coming up on Sunday and Monday.